Here's how to live stream on Kick with iPhone. First, open an internet browser on your iPhone and go to kick.com. Once the website loads, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and sign into your Kick account. After signing in, tap your profile icon again in the top right corner. Then click on this Creator Dashboard option. Here, select Stream URL and Key. This is the information we'll need to connect your iPhone to Kick. Once you have it, close the browser and open the App Store. Now, we need to install a streaming application on the iPhone. Tap the search box and search for Streamlabs. Streamlabs is a free application that we can use to stream. Go ahead and install this on your screen. Once the installation is complete, open Streamlabs. When you're asked to log in with the platform, scroll to the bottom and select Custom RTMP. For the name, enter random name. Next, we need to enter the Kick stream URL. Go back to your internet browser and copy the stream URL shown at the top of the page. You may need to enter a 6-digit code before this information is revealed. Once you can see the URL, tap the copy icon next to it. Return to Streamlabs and paste the URL into the appropriate field. We also need to add the stream key. Go back to Kick, copy your stream key, return to Streamlabs, and paste it into the stream key field. Once both details have been entered, tap Save. Next, tap Continue and select Allow. You can choose whether you want to enable notifications and make sure you allow Streamlabs to access your camera. Now, you can rotate your iPhone if you want to stream in landscape mode. To start setting up the stream, tap Go Live at the bottom. You can choose whether you want to stream your screen or your camera. I'm going to select Screen Share and then tap Next. Now, just go through to setup you want and then you will be ready for live stream. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.